Hello, everybody. It's Stephen here for the Idiot Quilter, and I have a special announcement for you, and I know you've been waiting for this. Yes, the Idiot Quilter is having a fall retreat this year, 2022. It will be on Saturday, October the 22nd. It will start at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and run until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, how do you get involved with this event? Well, very easy. All you need to do is send me an email to register for this at the email address, my email address, that's in the show notes below. And all you need to do in that email is say, yes, I want to be at the retreat, and just give me your first and your last name. It's important to have both your first and your last name. And if the contact address for you, or the one that you prefer to be contacted at, is different from the one that'll be in the from section of your email, then just put that in as well. And I will add you to the list and reserve your spot for the day. Now, do you need to be there at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time? Might be a little early for those of you that live on the West Coast. So no, you do not. But because you have registered, your spot is there for whatever time you want to sign in. You will also receive the link for this. It will be in the show notes below. If you're on my mailing list for the retreat, and I hope you are, then you will receive this invitation with all the details I'm talking about here to your email address. Okay, so that's how you register for this event. It is free. It is absolutely free. But because I have a limited Zoom license, meaning I can only handle about 100 participants, then I need to be sure that I have a spot for you. Now, let's say it fills up, and it could. What am I going to do then? Well, I'm going to establish a waiting list. If all the spots are filled by the time you pre-register, so register early, I will put you on my waiting list, sort of a first come, first serve basis. And if somebody drops out from the retreat, that will free up a spot, and I will insert your name, and I will send you an email to let you know that you are in. Now, here's what I ask you to do, though, to be kind to other people. If you know after you've registered that something has happened, life happens, and that you can't attend the retreat, I'd appreciate it if you'd send me a quick email letting me know that you can't attend. That means I will take you off the registration list and open up that spot for someone on the waiting list. Please do that for me. I ask that so that people won't be disappointed. Okay, what are some business items about this whole event? Well, not only is it a full day of working on whatever you want to work on, but I will have 3 special guest speakers as well. I will be sending you out details about those speakers and an agenda later in the next week or two. Once I have finalized all the details I need to finalize with my presenters. But believe me, these presenters are going to be very, very interesting. Also, there will be prizes. Yes, there will be prizes. And I will be making random draws throughout the day for prizes. Now, one word of caution. You must be online in the Zoom when I draw for a prize in order to win it. Okay, so what else do you need to know? Well, you can come and go as you please, as I said. And in that case, because you registered, and if say you had to run out to do an errand or something like that, I will leave your spot open. So no worries there. Now, on the Friday night, we are going to have a icebreaker cocktail party. And this is always a lot of fun. The Zoom link will be in the invitation that I send to you. It will also be in the show notes for all my videos after this is posted. So you'll be able to find the links for that. And basically, it'll start at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and run for maybe 2 hours at the most. We'll get to meet other people who are planning to attend the retreat. And this is completely optional. I mean, you don't have to attend the cocktail party, and you also don't have to pre-register for the cocktail party. You can just show up, bring your favorite beverage, and bring something to show us as well. We'll have a little mini show and share, just one little item that you can show us. And we may even play a game or two as well, just to get into the atmosphere of the retreat for the next day. So back to the retreat. Besides having the presenters, besides having prizes, we are also going to have a show and share. I'm going to create a slideshow from pictures that you send me of your favorite creations or something you're proud of. And notice I'm using the word creations and not saying quilts. Yes, of course, quilts, but maybe you knit, maybe you sew garments, maybe you do art journaling, maybe you do scrapbooking, maybe you do paper crafts or mixed media or anything else that's creative. This retreat is open to all creators, not just quilters. So if you have a picture, send it to me as a JPEG, send it to my email address, only one please, one per customer. Make sure your name is on it, both first and last name, and I will put that together in a slideshow, and during one part of the day, I will be presenting those creations for you. You do not need to write a description of it at all. In fact, if you do write a description, I'm sorry, I'm not going to be able to include that in the slideshow, but I will include your name and your picture as well. So that's another feature. What else are we doing that day? Well, we're going to do something called Spotlight Victim. Yes, I pick throughout the day by random somebody to put in the spotlight and to tell us who they are, where they're from, and to show us what they're working on right at that moment in time. Now, of course, there is no obligation if you're a little camera shy and you don't want to present what you're working on. That's perfectly okay. I won't push you on this one, but it's a lot of fun. Yeah. So it's going to be a great day. If you have any questions about this, please send me an email. I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Remember, this is absolutely free. Absolutely. No strings attached here. And please register and register early. And registration is now open. Those of you on my mailing list will get a copy of everything that I have said here, along with the Zoom links for the event. That will be there for you as a personalized email. So stay tuned to my channel for more details, for more updates. And as people register, once I have you registered as well, if I have any other updates, I will be sending them to your personal email box as well. Also, you will find in the show notes of this video a couple of links, and that will increase as time goes by, to my Google Drive, where you can download anything that I'm talking about in this video as well, and in future videos. So I'm excited about this. This is the fourth one that I have run in the last couple of years. It's always a good time. People are wonderful that come to it. We see inspiring creations. If you need help with something, there's plenty of help from everybody that's involved, and the guest speakers are worth the price of admission in themselves. And I did mention that it's free, all free. So I hope you'll join us October the 22nd for the retreat, starting at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you're able, it'll be nice to see you at the Icebreaker Cocktail Party the Friday night before, October the 21st, starting at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I hope you'll come. It's going to be a great day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for considering it. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.